Welcome to Bay Bridge Cove, McKee Builders' premier 55-plus clubhouse community located on Kent Island, gateway to the beautiful eastern shore of Maryland. Here's why you should reserve your perfect lot and build your dream home today at Bay Bridge Cove.
Once we decided we wanted to build, we were wanting to make sure that the builder was willing to be flexible. And McKee ended up making at least 7 major changes to the house in terms of structure. After we added the sunroom, which is a standard addition, we put on a box bay, so you get a great view of the pond
and the fountain. We added the skylights.
We added the skylights. We put 4 skylights around the house.
The fireplace, that was built to spec of what we wanted. It's narrower than what you would normally have with a fireplace.
And because it's narrower, not as deep as the fireplaces that are standard, we were able to recess the chase by 6 inches, giving us more room in the living room. It was a very easy process. So we've been very happy with the build process.
This sunroom happened to be the decision-making sunroom for picking the model because my sweetheart said this was her happy place.
You have lots of options on floor planning and changing walls or changing different aspects of the house.
Right. The builder's very flexible in accommodating your wishes. And if it can be done, they'll try to arrange to see if it can be done. So that is a builder's plus. For instance, in the sunroom, we did have French doors added to our sunroom, which was not a typical feature that was offered. Something that Margie thought about, and we thought was a good idea to help separate the great space from the sunroom. There is an advantage of not having to worry about the outside issues like grass cutting and weeding and watering, snow removal. It is a plus for freedom.
What we were looking for was one level and open space.
This is the 3rd home that we have built, and it's by far the best design and the best quality, thanks to, I think McKee did a great job in bringing that to fruition. There's lots to do in this area. There's kayak launch within a mile of here. Great places to bike. She has a swim club that she belongs to within a mile. So I'll be putting the racks on the car fairly soon.
We started out with the Smart Buyer program to sell my house.
We've made quite a few significant changes in the home to meet our needs.
You're able to do changes that make it a custom house for you. David, who's the on-site construction manager, is a pleasure to work with, so qualified, always willing to do whatever makes a resident happy.
We love it here.
We do.
Location, lifestyle, community. Welcome home to McKee's Bay Bridge Cove, where your next journey is just beginning.